Portugal. I'm gonna go through Orca Alley. So I'm preparing pairs. Hopefully they will work and scare away any orcas that fancy a bit of our water. That's it. Go down the little surface, the water.
Okay.
If you have any questions, just fire away.
That, but I'm learning, doing it bit by bit, and yeah, so it's constant skill learning. It's just different areas of, depending on what trip you do, it's different areas that you'll improve on your sailing skills.
Amazing. Can we go in the water?
You can?
Yes, let's go in the water.
Can we go?
Yes. Oh my
We'll have to set up the ground.
You have to set up the ground, probably, of course.
Like
35.
Is 35, 39.2.
Punch 4, I would say.
Okay.
39.4.
0.4.
Yeah. So then what you do is you have the time out of one.
So I've got to do 4 sheets for this.
No. First you do on a. Well, you can also do it on this one here, right? So you just measure out. So you have the time on one axle, yeah, and the angle here. So you get the first one there. This one will.
I'll just plot the time in the.
Yeah, and the angle, yeah. And then you draw a line. Yeah. Let's say this one is down there, right? So then this one, and this one are all on the same, right? So they are all good. So you can pick any of those. You pick one of those, and then you bring that down. So the chosen longitude would be 15 because if you round it up, yeah? So 15 is how much? 15 gives you 14.
Most will tell you just go for it. Don't. Life's too short, and just go and try it. You might not like it, but most of the time you will. And the skills you learn, and especially on Saga, and I'm not saying it because I've just been on Saga, but with Skipper Chris, you're totally safe, 100% safe. The boat's amazing, just deals with any weather at any time, and just jump in and have a go. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's what I did, and I'm on my second one, probably going to book a third one in a minute.
after how many days now on sea? 10 days at sea.